Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Audi A6 headlights. First, gather your supplies: car wash soap, 2 buckets, and soft microfiber towels. Begin by rinsing the headlights thoroughly with water to remove any loose dirt or debris. Then, apply a dedicated car wash soap using a soft sponge, gently cleaning the lens surface. Next, if your headlights show signs of haziness or yellowing, apply a specialized headlight cleaner or a mild abrasive polish. Gently scrub the lens in small, circular motions to effectively remove any oxidation. After scrubbing, rinse the headlights completely with clean water to ensure all cleaning product residue is gone. After cleaning, it's crucial to protect your Audi A6 headlights to maintain their clarity and extend their lifespan. Apply a UV protectant or a ceramic coating to shield the lenses from environmental damage. Regularly wash your headlights to prevent dirt and grime buildup, and inspect for any cracks or damage, addressing them promptly. Remember these final tips for keeping your Audi A6 headlights looking their best. Always use soft materials to avoid scratching the delicate plastic lenses. For severely oxidized or damaged headlights, consider professional restoration. Plus, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.